and privilege to be here with you on this special occasion as we recognize the hard work, dedication, and achievements of our students. Today is a day of celebration, reflection, and anticipation as we look forward to the promising futures that lie ahead for our young learners. It is my pleasure to introduce to you our esteemed special guest, a person whose journey from a humble beginning to professional excellence is truly inspiring. She is a shining example of dedication, perseverance, and success in both her personal and professional life. Malacanang, San Carlos City, Pangasinan is immensely proud to have this dynamic woman among its ranks. Her academic journey began at Malacanang Elementary School, where she laid a solid foundation for her future studies from 2000 to 2006. She continued to excel at San Carlos College High School Department, where she studied from 2006 to 2010. Driven by a passion for engineering, she pursued her tertiary education at the Philippine College of Science and Technology, graduating in 2015. Our daughter's professional credentials are impressive. She is a registered electrical engineer and a registered master electrician, holding licenses from the Professional Regulation Commission. Her career has seen her rise to the position of Assistant Supervisor and Admin Engineer at WRI International Incorporation, where she applies her expertise and leadership skills daily. Beyond her professional life, our special guest is a dedicated wife to Mark John Corpus Aurelia and a loving mother to two wonderful children, Christine Chloe F. Aurelia and Luke Nathan F. Aurelia. Her ability to balance a demanding career with her roles as a spouse and mother is a testament to her incredible dedication and resilience. As we honor the achievements of our students today, let us draw inspiration from our special guest's story. Her journey reminds us that with hard work, determination, and a passion for learning, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve our dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to introduce to you our special guest, distinguished engineer, a dedicated professional, an inspiring role model, engineer Sarah Jane Ferrer Aurelia. A round of applause.